So, good morning, everyone in America, good afternoon in Europe, and good evening in Asia. Welcome to this second session of the fifth edition of our workshop on metabolism and mathematical models for a Tango. For those who are joining us today, I would like to mention briefly that this workshop is being organized by a team of 5, which are Susana Vinga from the Instituto Superior Técnico de Lisboa. Hello, Susana. Mariana Ferrarini, who is at the Max Planck Institute for Chemical Ecology at Jena, Germany. Hello, Mariana. Sabine Perez from the University of Lyon. Marie-France Sagot, who is Emeritus Director of Research at INRIA at Lyon as well. Marie, you are not in the screen, I think, or yes, I don't know.
I'm not myself. Here.
Here, yeah, but you are not showing your face. And myself from the University of São Paulo. So this time I would like also to say thank you in advance to Francisco Vinga Presiati, who will make the edition of the material that it is being produced here in the meeting, that will be available at our homepage, at the homepage of the meeting. So thank you to him. And well, we will initiate now the second session. On behalf of all the organizers, I would like to wish you an enjoyable and productive meeting. And again, as a practical issue, the questions for each of the talks should be written in the chat, please. Eventually, you can also raise your hands, but as there are many of you, many times we don't have all you in the screen, so I think in the chat is more organized and better. And we will have, as always, the open discussion sessions between talks 2 and 3. And for this, we ask you to write your questions or comments in the Google Docs, whose links was already provided to you in the chat tool of the platform. This will be reminded once we reach the session, so you will have easy access to the link.